Bad number 3. It's not a one-size-fits-all process. Not everyone qualifies for permanent teeth in 24 hours. Your bone levels, infections, overall health, and even your history with smoking all play a role. Some people don't know this, but taking certain bone density medications can have an effect on whether or not you qualify for permanent teeth in 24 hours. Also, every single day you wait, you may be losing more bone in your jaw. That bone loss can make it extremely difficult or sometimes impossible to safely qualify for permanent teeth in 24 hours. For example, Michelle experienced a lot of bone loss, and she almost didn't qualify for permanent teeth in 24 hours. So let's hear what she has to say.
Not having enough bone could disqualify you from getting dental implants, period. Luckily, when I went to Nuvia, I was a candidate. I'm sure that if I would have put this off longer, I would not have been a candidate. Getting dental implants was the best decision, without a doubt, that I have ever made for myself. Everything that has been wonderful and positive and for my best interest has happened since I made this investment in myself.
And that's why you should come to your closest Nuvia and get evaluated as early as possible to make sure that you can qualify. Good number 3, you get your permanent teeth in just 24 hours. It's not temporary, it's not plastic, it's your custom set of teeth. A lot of people assume that getting your teeth in just 24 hours means that you're getting lower quality. With precision milling, digital planning, and guided surgery, you get both speed and accuracy. At other offices, you may have to wait months to get your permanent teeth. But here at Nuvia, you get your smile in just 24 hours. Let's see what Chris has to say about his teeth in 24 hours.
The reason I decided to choose Nuvia was because they were able to give me permanent teeth in 24 hours. It's real, people. You can get a brand new set of teeth in 24 hours. Other places that I went to check were offering higher prices and a lot longer wait times, even up to a year to get these. I didn't want to wait a year. I don't have that kind of time. I'm a rural truck driver and I'm constantly on the move, hauling loads, hooking loads. Can you imagine having to go through this for a year just to get these teeth? There's no way I could have done that. Just don't have the time. I'm glad I found Nuvia. Permanent teeth in 24 hours, one and done.
Bad number 2. Let's be honest. This is an investment, and dental implant pricing is one of the most confusing things in dentistry. Every case is different, every mouth is different, you're different, and that's why when you go online, you see such a wide range of things. Here at Nuvia, we get questions about financing all the time, and that's why we've created a 2026 cost guide so that you have a clear path to the price of your teeth. So if you want to know the factors that influence cost, you can go down in the description and feel free to look at our updated 2026 cost guide. Let's hear from Dennis and see how he was able to afford permanent teeth in just 24 hours.
I've had so many procedures and I've spent thousands upon thousands of dollars patching my teeth and fixing my teeth and reconstructing my teeth. It's like, I'm going to spend this much money over and over and over again. Why not just pay it all and just be done? I paid a little bit of cash. I had some savings. I put that down and I make payments. So I financed it and I make that payment, knowing that I don't ever have to step foot into those dentist office again and hear those drills again and pay those people the exorbitant amount of money to fix my teeth and then have to fix them again and then have to fix them again. And now I don't have to worry about that. I paid all in lump sum. It's done. I make my payments and it's over. Like, I don't have to deal with worrying about that anymore. I know how much I have to pay. I don't have to deal with root canals and extractions and infections and any of that anymore.
And good reason number 2, the emotional impact. A lot of people don't talk about this, but the next day transformation is real. You get your confidence back fast. You're able to eat, you're able to smile, you're able to take photos. You can even hang out with your own family and feel the warmth and confidence again. I've seen this in my own experience. With my patients, when they come in for their visit, they don't want to smile, they don't want to talk to me. However, in just 24 hours, I see them smiling, they're able to talk with me. And even when they have, significant others in the room, they're crying. It's just one big emotional experience. Let's hear from Randy and see how he got his smile, confidence, and life back with permanent teeth in just 24 hours.
I had spent my life being a singer, being on stage, doing all of these things, the class clown. And when I had lost all of my teeth, suddenly there was nothing left. I just didn't have anything left in me. I had no energy, no desire, no life. I don't even know who that person is. And I'm 2.5 years later, and I took them out for a trial run and snuck into karaoke and sang for the very first time in my life. And I walked out of there a complete new person because I can sing again. I love this life and I'm alive again. I'm living proof that I am 2.5 years later living my best life, not being stopped in any way, shape, or form. You can't keep me off of a stage in front of an audience now.
Bad number one, and this isn't about treatment at all. It's that most people wait too long to get help. People live with pain, infections, broken teeth, and dentures that stop them from enjoying life. You deserve a solution that gives you the ability to function, to eat, to smile, and laugh again. The longer you wait, the more your jawbone can break down. And what that means for you is that can make treatment extremely difficult and sometimes even limit the options that you have. It's extremely important to get ahead of your health. I've seen it plenty of times where patients just miss the mark and they no longer have the opportunity to get permanent teeth in just 24 hours. And the number one good reason people choose permanent teeth in 24 hours, stability and trust. Here at Nuvia, your teeth are fixed. They're not slipping, they're not going anywhere, they are a part of you. These teeth will last you a lifetime. You will be able to eat, smile, and live normally again. However, just as important as the teeth is the team behind it. Here at Nuvia, we have a team that does this every single day. We have highly trained surgeons, dedicated dentists, and an amazing lab that uses digital planning to make sure that your treatment goes smoothly. At other offices, full mouth implants is something they offer. And what that means is that they're not doing it day in and day out. However, here at Nuvia, that is all we do. The surgical assistants are highly trained and proficient in handling full arch implants. Luckily here at Nuvia, we have the lab in-house so that we are able to customize and tailor the teeth to you. This is life-changing treatment. You're in great hands from the moment you walk in. Patient safety is our number one priority. Now, if you don't believe me, let's hear from Laura and her experience here at Nuvia.
I really don't believe that they were there just to sell this product and get the next person in. As I think about my life now with my teeth and the way that they look and how absolutely thrilled I am, I wish more than anything I could have felt this way as a younger me.
Here at Nuvia, we want to see all of our patients walk out with a smile. It's extremely important that you come in, get evaluated, because you deserve to smile, to eat, and just feel healthy again. I'm glad I was able to clear the air about the top 3 good and bad things about full mouth dental implants. If you're ready to learn what treatment looks like for you, click over to our brand new 2026 cost guide video.